Hi guys! Today I will show you how to fold an origami rainbow slinky. I took the idea of this model from another video. I will leave a link to this channel in the description under the video. Look how differently it can move. If it's folded into the ring, it can take several different forms. He can become a beautiful bracelet, can a beautiful star, or it can simply endlessly twist into different forms. This model can even be folded children. For this model, we take a few squares with a side of 5 cm. Fold in half. Turn the paper. Fold the bottom corners. Return the paper and fold the top corners. Return the paper, put your finger in the pocket and fold in half. The module is ready. We need to make the same modules of different colors. We connect the modules to each other. Insert one module to another. Pull it out 4 or 5 mm. Bend the upper corners of the red module below the edges of the orange. Insert in orange module yellow and repeat steps. we continue to collect all the modules in one snake. Friends, if you like this video, please write about it in the commentary and put like. Share this video to your friends. Also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss new videos. Bye bye.